Welcome to Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Myself, I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to discuss about microwave frequency band. Microwave frequency band. On completion of this topic, students will be able to define EM spectrum, application of microwave frequency. Microwave frequency band. Microwaves are the form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelength ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter and with frequency between 300 megahertz and 300 gigahertz. The most commonly used frequency band and corresponding to the wavelength and application are 30 to 300 Hz. Wavelength is 10 power 4 kilometer to 10 cube kilometer, mainly used for power transmission. 300 Hz to 3 kilohertz voice frequency from the wavelength ranging from 10 cube kilometer to 100 kilometer for audio application. Frequency band from 3 kHz to 30 kHz, very low frequency with wavelength ranging from 100 km to 10 km. Submarine communication, navy and military communication. Frequency band from 30 kHz to 300 kHz, low frequency with wavelength ranging from 10 km to 1 km long waves. Aeronautical and marine navigation, these frequency act as subcarriers. 300 kHz to 30 MHz medium frequency, 1 km to 100 meter medium waves. AM broadcast submarine and aeronautical application. 3 MHz to 30 MHz high frequency, 10 meter to 10 meter short waves, short wave transmission and CB communication. 30 MHz to 300 very high frequency, 10 meter to 1 meter TV broadcast and FM. Microwave frequency band. The several band of frequency can be used in microwaves. So if you see the band of frequency, for high frequency, frequency range is from 30 to 30 megahertz. Wavelength ranging from 10 to 100 meter. Very high frequency, 30 to 300 megahertz. Wavelength ranging from 1 to 10 meter. Ultra high frequency, frequency range from 300 to 1000 megahertz with the wavelength ranging from 30 to 100 centimeter. L band 1 to 2 gigahertz 15 to 30 centimeter. S band 2 to 4 gigahertz 7.5 to 15 centimeter. C band 4.8 gigahertz 3.75 to 7.5 centimeter. X band 8 to 12 gigahertz 2.5 to 3.75 centimeter. KU band 12 to 18 gigahertz 16.7 to 25 millimeter. K band 18 to 37 gigahertz 11.1 to 60.7 millimeter. Ka band 27 to 40 gigahertz 7.5 to 11.1 millimeter. V band 40 to 75 gigahertz 4 to 7.5 millimeter. W band 75 to 110 gigahertz 2.7 to 4.0 mm. MM 110 to 170 gigahertz 1.7 to 2.7 meter. Applications. Microwaves are mainly used in satellite communication, radar signal, phone and navigational application. Other applications where the microwave used are medical treatment, drying material and in household for the preparation of food. So if you see these most of the application, how antenna will be used. So if you see antenna is what? So antenna is nothing but a device to transmit or to receive electromagnetic waves. So electromagnetic waves are often referred as radio waves. Most antennas are resonant device which operate effectively over a relatively narrow bandwidth. An antenna must be tuned matched to the same frequency band as the radio system which is connected, otherwise reception or transmission to be impaired. So here if you see this wavelength or often refers to antenna size related to this wavelength. So depend upon the size of the wavelength, antennas are divided into monopole antenna, half wave dipole antenna and dipole antenna. So if you consider the wavelengths are very important. So if you take those values here, for example 1 by 2 half wave dipole is approximately half a wavelength long. Wavelength is a distance a radio wave travel during one cycle. The formula for wavelength lambda is equal to C by F. Lambda is the wavelength expressed in unit of length, typically meter or feet per inches. So, quiz question related to the topic. Dash is the distance a radio wave travels during one cycle, wavelength. An antenna is a device to transmit or to receive electromagnetic signal. Microwave frequency between 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. Thank you.